Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abin Swarsa from the Faculty of Economics and Business, University of Muhammadiyah Bandung. In the first Faris Vanjapa International Seminar, I will present the result of research under the title From Zero to Hero, Leading with the Philosophy of Muhammadiyah Education. Introduction. The study aims to explore the success of Yogyakarta Muhammadiyah Boarding School or MBS in managing human resources so that it becomes the leading school in a relative short time with the support of small financial resources. The purpose of study was determine the management of research management in the establishment phase, development phase, and implementation of Muhammadiyah educational philosophy in all phases to make MBS education offered by Muhammadiyah Boarding School or MBS Yogyakarta is a concept that meets two dimensions of reason, heart, and skill. An integrated curriculum between local content and national curriculum and supported by the professionalism of management. Anies Baswedan was also impressed with the concept of PPM MBS Yogyakarta. I admire the educational concept promoted by MBS with the created a fun school for each student. This can be clearly illustrated through the cheerfulness of the student after working on UN question, not there a burden of difficult on their faces. The father added, is this school to be like that, to become a pleasant learning path, no longer a scary place. Muhammadiyah Educational Philosophy. Muhammadiyah Educational Philosophy that has been formulated as contained in the Tanfiz Decree of the first century Muhammadiyah Conference, which as moment ideas and ideas Kiai Haji Ahmad Dahlan. Kiai Haji Ahmad Dahlan is a type of man of action who always give action and reaction to the educational movement he initiated. His last speech entitled Tali Pengikat Hidup Manusia was the red thread of these thoughts that showed the direction of Muhammadiyah educational philosophy. From the statement is implied E. The highest knowledge is knowledge about the unity of life that can be achieved with a critical and open attitude with common sense and istiqomah to the truth of the mind that based on the pure heart. B. The intellect becomes the power to fulfill the necessities of human life. C. Logic or logic is the highest education for reason that will only be achieved if it relies on the guidance of Allah. From the previous thoughts, Kiai Haji Ahmad Dahlan initiated the birth of the Muhammadiyah educational model that is capable of facing challenges. Integralistic concept between ultimate truth that often comprehensive rationality through Islam teaching call for ijtihad, reject imitation, and return to the Al-Quran and Sunnah. The ideas he initiated will give birth to new human being whom can affair as ulama intellect or intellect ulama. As translation of his saying, dadi kiai sing kamajuan lan aja kesel-kesel anggonmu nyambut gawe kanggo Muhammadiyah. The emphasis of the progressive character of Islam provide a dynamic pause for civilization when dealing with the time. Educational management and educational philosophy of Muhammadiyah. Educational management is an ongoing process carried out by educational organizations through the functionalization of these management elements, wherein there are efforts made to influence each other, direct each other, and supervise each other so that all activities and performance of educational organization can be achieved following the objectives of the establishment of educational institution. Educational management is a process that is carried out seriously and planned to create an atmosphere of learning and learning process and achieve educational goals starting from planning, organizing, implementing, and controlling using human resources and other resources to achieve organizational goals. If it associated with Muhammadiyah educational philosophy and all parties, both founder and manager, will understand the educational philosophy and then everything will be resolved. Shankar work always creative and supports by commitment from all parties as well as providing an integrated educational concept that reflects quality will give confidence to student guardian. Research method. In this study, the method used in qualitative. A qualitative method with a phenomenological approach which is a constructivist or naturalist approach. There are two fundamental reasons for the use of qualitative approach in this study, namely, first, to explore and understand the meaning of the object of research from individual or group that are described to social or humanitarian problem. Second, the acquisition of data can be more complete, more profound, and reliable as well as even in a social context that includes feeling, norm, beliefs, habit, mental attitude, and cultural adhered to by individuals and group of individuals can be found. Informants in this study were subjects directly involved in the establishment and management, experts in Muhammadiyah education philosophy, and MBS user in Yogyakarta. Based on the representation informant, the study uses an insider perspective. Result and discussion. Establishment phase. Human research management establishment phase by carrying out and offering the concept of integration of the Islamic boarding school curriculum with the national curriculum has significant logical consequence for human research. To anticipate the results of human research based on Sharia, the financing of existing human research is carried out by the founder who have the capacity and background of the pesantren. Another very significant consequence of human research management is financial factor. The founder tried to foster existing human research into militant human research and become the initial capital in managing the Islamic boarding school. This militancy is what makes human research work centrally, work that hold on to finance in not everything working to find his future. Development phase. Management of human research development phase. In the development phase, human management is in the framework of improving the quality of citing human research and adding new human research meet need. The recruitment process is carried out when there is need for human research because the number of students is increasing. The recruitment process from admission, the selection process to the announcement of acceptance is no different from another school. Coaching is done for new employees before being deployed directly at the learning process stage. One of the activities that must be passed by new employees in addition to the standard of foresting employees in the Muhammadiyah organization in the development of them to do internship in Muhammadiyah school that are very difficult material, facilities, and resources. The purpose of the activity is to open the mind of new employee that MBS has experienced something similar to experience by Muhammadiyah School. They will realize that the process of becoming a MBS now is not easy. It requires hard work, sincere work, not just thinking about the material. Acknowledgement. Thank you to the Higher Education Research and Development Council, Dikti Litbang, Muhammadiyah Central Board for providing research grant. Hopeful the result of this study will benefit the people. Thank you very much.